I would be discussing another example. Here we have to convert this continuous time system into discrete time system into or sample data system. So uh, this is the continuous time system, and if we pass it through zero order hold, we get a discrete time system. So we have to convert this continuous time system into discrete time system. As we saw earlier, that the in order to convert from continuous time system to discrete time system, we have to find phi and gamma. This is the formula for phi. Phi is given by e power ah. Here h, as we saw in our previous videos, is the sampling interval, and this can be found calculated using Laplace inverse of si minus a whole inverse. Si is right here, so this is si. S minus I, nahin, S into I, that would be I is the identity matrix, so we get this S00S minus A is this matrix, so 0 1 minus 1 0, and we have to take its inverse and then find the Laplace inverse of this system, this equations. So here we have found this Si minus A, so this thing is Si minus A, and we have to take its inverse, as we have seen earlier that inverse is given by adjoint over determinant. So after taking the inverse, we get this matrix. So we have to take the Laplace inverse of this system, and here we know that Laplace inverse formulas are cos omega t equals to s over s square plus omega square, and sin omega t equals to omega over s square plus omega square. So uh, this would be our formula. This is right here like this. Uh, S over s square plus omega square. Here omega is 1, so omega square is also 1. Here this is for sin omega t. Similarly, this is cos omega t, and this is again sin omega t. So uh, we get this form. This is our phi. So we have found out one thing, phi. Now we have to find the other thing, that is gamma. The formula for gamma is given by this. So this right here is our phi that we just calculated. So we have put this phi right here and taken its integral from 0 to h, and this is our b. uh, and as we saw in our previous video, that this b comes from the system, continuous system that we are given with. So this b came from this right here, this is b. So this b came from here, and after solving this, multiplying these two, we get this uh, vector here right here. So we take integral of sin h would be minus cos h, with limit from 0 to h. Similarly, the integral of cos h would be sin h, and limit from 0 to h. After putting the limits, we get gamma right here. So our continuous discrete time system is given by x into k plus 1 is equals to phi. This is phi x of k plus this is gamma u of k. So we put phi and gamma right here, and we get our system equation. And remember that y, the equation for output, does not change. Y would be again c x of k. So again we have converted our continuous time system into the our discrete time system. And if you did not understand anything from this video, you can refer back to my two previous videos that I uploaded, so you may understand these things. In this video I have been a bit more direct, and so but in previous videos I try to explain everything. So if you watch those videos, you would easily understand this. So that would be all. Thank you for watching my video.